Hello guys, welcome back to the another tutorial. So in this series, I'm gonna showing discuss about this view 3. So in this part, like that, I'm going to discuss about the inside of the template, like that here, and you will show that in the last video. I've been discuss about this beyond's property and name property, like that, where you will be getting this like that here methods property, and you can getting this result here from here. Okay, so that's it. And inside of this template we're going just I'm going to writing here some of paragraph tag inside of this, and simply use it second curly braces. You can anything use it in the inside of the template, and this is the very interesting. Just simply I'll use it in the another number, like that 10, then plus 10, then you will show that automatically counted the 20. Okay, so just I'll simply edit the 0, then you will show that 110 here. Okay, so this is the basically system of this template. You will show that this is basically operator, and obviously I'll discuss what is template and tag and value and display normal property, and click button even, and you will show that here, and operator exactly here, and like that disable button. This the like that in the next tutorial I'll discuss about this display button, disable button, and like that conditional or yes or no. That's it. And you will show that another region, just simply change it here, this operator minus, and you will show that automatically counted minus 90. Okay, so this is the operator. You will use it easily inside of this template. Okay guys, so I hope you will enjoy this tutorial, and obviously see you soon in the next tutorial.